Good day, everyone. I'm still your market analyst, Onyebuchi Ikechukwu. Today, we are going to be looking at gold US dollar. That is XAU USD. Yeah, if you look at your daily chart, let's look at, I always like to look at the long-term movement so that we'll know the overall direction that the smart money are looking at. Meanwhile, the smart money are the big institutional traders who really make the market move. You know, the market moves when big money enters into the market. The small candles you see as a result of small retailers trying to trade, they go in and out of the market. But these guys, they don't go in and out of the market. They make their calculations and they come in and they move out. That will make the market to move, and you see thick candles and long candles. That's where smart money trades. Do they do that? Well, if you look at this month, you'll see that there's been trickles of candles coming low. Can you calculate this? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles in a month, in like 7 months. But the smart money kept quiet, and they came only in 3 months. They accumulated, they absorbed all the money and more that these other retailers and what some people call dumb traders or dumb money traders. And you look at this last candle now, you'll see that there is actually a drop. You look at that inverter hammer coming down, it's trying to retrace up. But when you look at the lower time frame going to 1 week, you'll see that it's reversing upwards. You see, so it's reversing upwards. You see a very long candle that have swallowed the smaller candles. But when you go to the daily chart, you'll see that, yeah, there is a sharp move up, but the market is still retracing. So if you ask me for my bias for today and remaining days of this week, I will be rather selling, looking for selling options. And it's going to be selling down to 1948. Yes, around that 1948, 36 is where it's going to be set, because that's where you have your support line. You can see the 50 EA moving average there, and you also see the Bollinger Band 20 EA. So around that region, we are going to be looking at the buying option will start around 1941.52 to 1949. Yes, within that region is a buying option, is a buying zone for me. Yeah, but for now, the market is at 1963. I will be looking for selling options. And to do that, remember, I am not advising you to enter the market. I indemnify myself. What I give is just not an advice. I'm not advising, I'm just making analysis. You also make your own analysis, and if your analysis coincides with my own analysis, you can also enter the market according to your own market strategy. But we look at the picture of the market from the overall point of view. Now, somebody might look at this and say, yes, there's a confluence of events. Yes, there's a confluence of events in the sense that if you look at the resistance line, I can go and draw a resistance line for you. You see the resistance line around where the market is settled now. Where the market is settled, you see a resistance there. There's also confluence of events that you see the EA the moving average and the Bollinger Band. So someone may also want to take a bite of retracement, upward retracement at 1959.33. Yeah, but I can guarantee you that retracement will go up and it will bounce back down. So for those of you who are scalpers, want to scalp and take your up movement and also take your down movement, that's fine. That's pretty fine. So that's the way the market is. So you can see that it's still dropping down. If I am asked to enter the market immediately, you can be sure that I will be selling for this moment and take my retracement at 1959. I will exit and wait for it to retrace. It will retrace and come back to this line most likely around this region, because this will be the region of confluence of events. You see the market price action there settling on this 1, 2, just current ones, and it's going to be settling on the 20 exponential moving average there of the Bollinger Band. That's at 1968. So if I am going to trade my sell now, I will put a pending order to sell at that region, and I can also take my profit as it moves down. So this is my analysis on the gold dollar this morning. We'll review it. We'll keep reviewing it, and you can join me later today to see how the market moves. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day.